guess what? It's here. Nukuvuga ngo pin yaje and abantu bo kuri YouTube mu celebrating ani pin.
You don't know by now, then you should probably get familiar. So if you don't know by now, then you should probably get familiar. So if you don't know by now, then you should probably get familiar.
Hi everyone, welcome again to my channel. Again, Saga, Benita, and you're back around the video for the channel. So guys, if you're new here, me, I'm Benita, and if you're a subscriber, thank you for tuning in. Mwah. So guys, today's video, I'm going to open with you my, guess what? It's here. Yeah, if you know this thing, it's a Google AdSense PIN. Iyo uyifite nibwo ubasha kureceiving iki amafaranga YouTube, sibyo? So, nanakoze video tujyana kuzana, but I'm not sure if I'm going to be putting this because I'm editing this as soon as it finish meeting posting. So you guys, this is how it looks. As you can see, ngimanga imbere, right? Yeah. So yo, I'm really excited. Nakumva ko nishimye ko ngiye kuyifungura, so kukirimo irihindukiza. Can you guys see my name? So you guys, yeah, it's all about that. Kubera amatsukanye ngira dore nese nyifungura, but I decided to show you guys how it really was. Kuvuga ngo ibifite utuboro tubiri karongera nyisubiza ukore nayifunguye. Ivuga ngo remove side edges first, okay? So iyo uyiremovinze nibwo nyine mwimbere, like is imwimbere kambaye kono ihita izimeze simeka pen kugira ngo agenda nabi, so yeah, this is how it looks. Itiza nyine uitibona mahangaha. I'm really excited and can't wait to see what YouTube brings for me and you guys. Yeah, it's all about today's video, and I received it and I'm really grateful. Applying, by the way, ariko yambaye nabyishe pe, but ingi nyine nabikoze neza. Each and everything was perfect. That's why yes, is within 2 weeks, within 2 weeks pe. Now 3 weeks or 4 weeks, 2 weeks, it was here. So you guys, yeah, come with me, and every single thing about YouTube I'll be sharing with you guys. Ngiye gutangira amaseri ya YouTube yo kugrowinga YouTube channel, my experience from YouTube to, yeah, ngiye gutangira as soon as I get to write all the scripts and things like that. So okay, so tuvuye muri internship akushafurangira kamera neza ibakanaza, but yeah, it's all about today. Nukuvuga ngo pin yaje and abantu bo kuri YouTube mu celebrating ani pin. Mungi ati congratulations, and yeah, can't wait. Can you guys nimara receive the payment threshold? I'm having something for you guys, okay? So yeah. So niba ushaka kumenya byinshi kuri YouTube, mbwira muri comment section, mbwire ese ushaka kumenya ese about more YouTube, ese ushaka creatinga nyine like ibibazo byose ufite, sibyo? Bimbwire muri comment section. Niba koze iyi video, niba wishimanye nanjye kugira ngo namugisha utazakugeraho, like, and niba hari ikintu mvu ushaka kumenya about YouTube, about things like that, about this pin, mbwira muri comment section. Niba kandi ko subscribe, menya ko uyisubscribinga, ukore subscribe nakantu k'umuntu kari hano hasi, ukore no kunzogera kugira ngo in case na uploading the video you be the first one to watch it, okay? Ikindi ribagiye ni iki, share. Yeah, you sharing ku bantu bari upcoming content creators kugira ngo babe motivated. You guys, this thing is not for the weak people, okay? It's all about working and yeah, nugukora ukayene consistent mu buzima bwawe kugira ngo achieving. Yeah, this is the first step kugira ngo ubashe kubona amafaranga ya YouTube. Urumva? udafite iyi pin ntabwo ushobora kuba wayabona, kandi utanayifite iyo utingiye kuba monetize within 1 week batahodinga nuza yawe account yawe. Yeah, they put your account on hold so as for them not to press ads on your videos. Okay, so without rambling, reka tugende tuyishyire YouTube channel ubundi. Yeah, so you guys, if you watched till the end, please give it a like, subscribe, comment, and also share, and see you in the next. Bye.